Windstream Router Wi-Fi Interference Best Settings. To begin, if your Windstream router is having Wi-Fi interference issues, open your browser and type 192.168.254.254. Then, log in using your admin credentials. Go to Wireless Settings, Advanced, and change the Wi-Fi channel from auto to a fixed one like 1, 6, or 11 for 2.4 GHz, or 36 or 44 for 5 GHz. You can also lower nearby device interference by moving your router away from microwaves or cordless phones. Click Apply to save the settings, then restart your router. This helps stabilize your Wi-Fi and improve signal quality. So that's it.